Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen like this, and this will show you this toggle right here, which is added by default. Now, it will say focus, but it might not have the moon icon next to it. So you can tap on the text itself, and this will extend it to show you additional features that you can activate right here. Now, we are interested in the Do Not Disturb mode, so you can just tap on it from here, and it will turn itself on. And additionally, you can then turn it on and off by clicking on this icon right here. But you can also click on the three dots and, for instance, navigate into the settings. And in here, we'll have a bunch of options that you can utilize to customize how the mode will function. So go over this at least once, customize it to fit your needs, and then once you have done so, you can close this and you don't ever have to go back there again, as long as you don't want to change anything. And yeah, you can then turn it on and off from here. You can also turn it on for a specific amount of time by clicking somewhere right here. So you have for 1 hour until this evening, or until you leave this location. So you can choose whichever one you want. And like you've seen me, you can just tap on it twice, and once will turn it on, the other one will turn it back on, and vice versa. So anyway, well, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.